In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit a form in Card and publish your changes. We'll start by opening Card in your browser and heading to your dashboard. From there, open the site you want to work on. To get into the editor, click the pencil icon, which is the Edit Site button. That takes you into Card's visual editor, where you can see your page and a toolbar for adding and adjusting elements. Next, look for the plus icon in the editor. This is how you add new elements to your page. Click the plus icon, then choose the form element. Card will place a default form on your page that you can move and resize like any other element. A quick but important note here, forms in Card are a pro feature. If your account is on the free plan, you'll see a prompt to upgrade before you can add or publish a form. Go ahead and purchase a pro plan to enable forms. Once your plan is active, return to the editor and continue. Now, let's edit the form so it fits your needs. Select the form and open its settings. Update the fields to match what you want to collect. Common options are name, email, and a message. You can rename labels, set placeholder text, and mark essential fields as required so visitors don't skip them. Keep your form short and focused. Shorter forms tend to get better completion rates. In the form settings, set where submissions should go. Choose your preferred destination and add a clear success message that confirms the form was sent, along with an error message in case something goes wrong. Customize the submit button text to something action-oriented like send or submit, and adjust the design to match your site. Fonts, colors, spacing, and alignment can all be tuned so the form looks consistent with the rest of your page. If you're concerned about spam, enable any available protection options in the form settings. Before going live, use the preview to check the form's layout on both desktop and mobile. Make sure labels are clear, fields are easy to tap on smaller screens, and the button stands out. When everything looks good, it's time to publish. Click Publish in the top corner of the editor, confirm your site's URL or domain, and complete the publish step. Once it's live, visit the page and submit a quick test entry to confirm the form works and that you received the submission as expected. That's it. Open Card, edit your site, add the form, upgrade if needed, customize it, and publish.